Today at shop.com, we're going to show you how to do this and this on a Mark 7 GTI. Okay, so today we're going to be showing you remote up and down windows on a Mark 7. We're going to be showing you this on OBDeleven, and we're actually going to be showing you both ways with the coding app and then also the manual way to code it. We get a lot of misconceptions about what apps are and what they do, and the idea that credits maybe is a kind of like a freemium model. Credits are actually, I've done a video specifically about this, but if you're not familiar, credits are a feature that allows you to do coding. If you don't know how to do so, OBDeleven does charge credits for using apps. Again, that's a one-touch. You don't need to know how to actually do it to actually perform coding. We have nothing to do with the credits. It's all charged through OBDeleven. We just offer the scan tool itself. So just for context of anybody who's wondering details about that, I have a video specifically talking about that. But today we're going to show you with the app, and then we're also going to be showing you the manual way. So let's go ahead and get started. And we have the device plugged into the car. Ignition is in the on position, and we are going to go ahead and connect to our device. Now once you connect, on the top left here, we're going to go hit that button and we are going to car. And we're going to show you the version first with the app because it is the easiest way to do this. And the credits are all vary depending on different apps you're choosing. But we are going to be going down towards the bottom to the Windows function up and down. And just so you know, if you have the car on trying to do this specific one, it's not going to be able to perform the coding because it does need to actually have just the ignition switch on and not the engine running. If you take a look here, you'll see it says off, and we're going to switch that drop down to on. And then we're going to hold this checkbox. And you're going to see it says working. And success. And we've actually finished all the coding we've needed with our app. All you would need to do is go into the head unit of the vehicle and actually activate and turn on the feature of the remote windows, which we'll show you later after we do the manual coding. So for now, we're going to go ahead and go into our app, turn it back off. And we've now flipped it back to stock, and we're going to show you how to do it manually. So to do that, we're going to go to our top section here, hit home, and on the bottom right there's this blue circle with the 3 lines that actually takes you to the individual control modules. You'll see the list of control units: engine, brakes, air conditioning. Central electrics is where we're going. Now once you've got to Central Electrics, we are going to Security Access. And when you take a look here, you actually see there's a code. It says 31347, enter login. You're going to punch in 31347. This is the Security Access code. It allows you to open up the module to make the changes. This does vary by model. I know for 15s and 16 Mark 7s, they use that code. I think 17s actually use a different one, which is why I think this app may not work on 17s. That's currently, while we're doing this video, I believe they're working on getting all the details to get it for 17 models. And again, anytime you're looking at apps, you can actually download the OBDeleven app, enter your model and year, and it should give you the app specifically for that year vehicle that are available. So you don't have to purchase a device before knowing what's available if you want apps specifically. So we're going to go to adaptation. And when you get to the adaptation, you're going to see a bunch of channels here. And we're going to Access Control 2. Okay, so once we've gotten into Security Access Control 2, or Access Control 2, we're going to start changing some settings here. First one I do is Comfort Opening, and change it from not active to active. Then Comfort Closing, not active to active. And then we're going to go down to where it says Funk Comfort, and not active to active, and then another one, not active to active. A little bit further down, and these are some German words, so I'm not even going to start to attempt to pronounce some of these. Is right here, there is this, you can take a look at the screen here and see what it says. This is actually what gives you the ability to turn on the feature to open access in the radio, which gives you the ability to turn it on and off from the vehicle. So we're going to change that to adjustable. So visible only would obviously only make it visible, and then the adjustable means you can turn it off through the radio of the vehicle. So we're going to click OK there. Now once we've done all that, we can hold our checkbox. It's going to say adaptation accepted. Now we're going to go into our radio and actually perform the activation of the function itself. Okay, so when we get into our vehicle, we're going to go to car, and then you're going to go to the settings. And then when you go down, you can go to open and close settings, and you can see here convenience opening, and it's going to say all windows or driver's window are off. You're going to want to make sure it's on all windows, and then you can do your testing to make sure that this works by trying your key. Now you've completed your window coding and tested it, you're all set to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this video was insightful, offering both the app coding and the manual coding. We get a lot of questions around that, so we wanted to share this insight and allow people to understand that if you see tutorials out there that show you a step-by-step guide, same application would be for OBDeleven to allow you to do that without using the app. Apps are a great feature for the right people. Obviously manual coding is for others. We are also looking at possibly doing one as a step-by-step guide for LED taillight coding, which is much more involved, a lot more channels to change. Look forward to that in the future coming. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.